Hello everyone. Welcome back. Let's see how to add some cinematic colors to your video. Using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the LUTs file. You can download them from simple search. To add these files to Premiere Pro, please follow this path. Open Local Disk and locate Program Files. Then Adobe. Select the Premiere Pro app. And open Lumetri file folder. Then LUTs file. And Creative. This is the folder. We should add all LUTs file. Copy your LUTs files and copy to here. Then open Premiere Pro. Let's add a video. This video has normal colors now. To add colors, click here to get all panels. Then select Lumetri color. You can change colors from here or add previously templates. I mean LUTs colors. Now we can select colors simply from here. So this is the tutorial. Is this video helpful? Please give a comment. Thank you. See you again.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't